If you've been sober for a while, like for a couple of years, and they still don't trust you yet, it's not because they are stubborn or even mad at you. It's because something that you are doing still feels familiar to them. If you want to actually see what's breaking trust with your family, loved ones, and friends, go to my website. It's rocrecoverycoach.com and get the trust repair breakdown. It'll show you exactly where you stand with them. Because in this video, I'm going to show you what's breaking trust. With the breakdown, it's going to show you how to fix it. We think time and good behavior should fix everything. Just because I'm showing up for work, I'm showing up for family gatherings, I'm not stealing from them. We sometimes feel because those big things that we're not doing anymore should rebuild trust with our family and friends and also our loved ones, but that's not correct. Time doesn't rebuild trust. It gives people more time to watch our patterns. You stop doing the big things, like the big mistakes. You stop using, you stop drinking, and you stop stealing, all those type of things. You stop going to jail. You stop losing your jobs. Those are the big things. But we think because we stop doing those things that people are going to start believing in us again and respecting us. But that's not true. But you have to understand that the small things still look the same to them. Saying you'll do something and not doing it. Getting defensive when they ask you certain questions. Or you start being consistent for a few days and then disappearing. You're acting right when things are good, but you start slipping up and start acting out when things get stressed in your life. That's what keeps you stuck. I've seen people for a couple of years in a sober journey. They're doing meetings, they're doing everything right on paper, but at home, they're still inconsistent, still reactive, and still unpredictable. So the family doesn't see the change. They see a quieter version of the same person. Trust doesn't come back when you feel better. It comes back when your behavior stops changing depending on how you feel. Just because you're mad, angry, upset, or life shows up, your patterns should not change. So if you're sitting there thinking, I'm doing everything right, why don't they trust me? The short answer is something still looks the same. You still look like the old you. I know this is going to be a quick video, right? Just to give you some views on why people are not trusting you yet. But if you want the full breakdown, go to my website. I'm going to leave it down in the description too as well. It's rocrecoach.com. And I'm going to give you the trust breakdown that I created, this trust repair breakdown. And it actually show you what's still costing you trust and respect with your family, loved ones, and friends. Also, check out two of my latest videos right here. And also leave in the comments of anything that you want me to talk about in my next videos. Rock Recovery Coach. Peace.